Remember that commercial property I bought years ago? Man, they trying to get over on me with that appraisal. It's probably been about 2 years since I last bought this property. As you see, it's kind of like in the same condition. What this video is mainly about, I just paid for an appraisal, and the appraisal for this property was $3,300. $3,300 just for the appraisal. 5,000 square feet on about a little bit over an acre of land. What can I say? Because I'm going through a refinance process with the bank. You know, I learned a lot of lessons with commercial real estate. Those bills are heavy. My contractor bills probably like around 200 something thousand now. So far, I spent about 50 of my own money getting rid of all the trees. All the trees on the property are gone. And then in order to get the permits approved, I had to do about $27,000 of asbestos removal first before they can issue permits. So I got that removed as well, the $27,000 of asbestos removal. The next steps, I just been waiting. The contractor kind of fell off the planet, and you know, just had some things come up, and I'm like, yo, let's just keep it there and try to rent it. But unfortunately, that didn't work out. We had some interest over the years, but nothing stuck, obviously. We have somebody looking at doing a land lease, a big Fortune 500 company, not gonna say any names, but we'll see how that goes. But right now I'm going to the refinance. What I learned was most people, they don't have vision. So on the single family side, right, with these houses that I buy, you see me buy over the years, they're tore up from the floor up. And the reason why I buy them, because I have the vision, like there's something here and I can turn it into something. Same thing with commercial. I have to make this attractive enough so somebody wants to come in. My bill of $200,000 plus, that contains of me getting a brand new roof, painting the building, new windows, new doors. We are gonna rough out for the plumbing and electrical. What I mean rough out is it's gonna be exposed and maybe have like a hanging light, but have water running to the building, and all that is like $200,000. I thought the first person was trying to get over on me, but that's all in line with how much things cost. That's this, man, but that appraisal for $3,300, that was the cheapest guy. So what happens is the bank sends out bids, and everybody puts their bid on how much they cost. And the $3,300 guy was not only the cheapest, but he also was gonna get your appraisal in the fastest. Some people needed 30 and 45-day turnarounds to get your appraisals in. So, man, if you're watching this video, maybe you need to look into coming to appraisal. But this is what I'm dealing with on the commercial side, man. It's my first commercial project that I have intentions to move forward all the way through to the end. Yeah, man, so it's definitely a lot of learning lessons. But going through a refinance now, and, you know, hopefully that'll work out, man, inshallah. But we'll see how it goes. The Almighty knows. So with that being said, man, yo, you made it to the end. You know, I'm Nasa, AKA the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a guru because I actually do this business. Commercial building owned by yours truly. But make sure you, please, you know what I mean, watch that video next to me. Peace.